Good girl.
Baby bird. Oh, that was a big one. You said that with your whole chest.
Gabby, can you say hello?
Hello.
Kisses? More kisses? Good job.
Come on, have a high five. Good boy, chicken. Have a kiss. High five. Good boy.
Hi.
Hey, that's ice cream. Say thank you.
Wow. Do you want berries? You want berries? Oh my goodness. Okay, one second.
That's it. Can you say Assalamu alaikum? Wow.